Okay. Perfect. Okay. Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and welcome to my Indian market live stream. So the time is around 12:25 p.m. So let's see what Nifty and Bank Nifty does on 9th of July. Okay. So morning ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ actually ಒಂದು upside momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತು. Nifty ನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is slightly forming higher rise and it is trying to form a proper price action. If you see ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು proper upside momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Let's see in second half ನಾಗ in case ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ trend continuation ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಅಥವಾ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we'll do a quick analysis and based on that we'll try to punch the trades. Okay, so and a very good morning to everyone. So I'll just cross check whether everything is fine or not and then let's start the video. Okay, we'll do a quick analysis and based on that we'll try to punch the trades. Okay, so and a very good morning to everyone. Sorry, good afternoon, good morning and naili ho jayega mera bhai. Okay, so let's start the video. One second, I will keep mobile for charging as well. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. So what Bank Nifty is trying to tell until let's have a look. So in case you 4-hour time frame note, it is moving in a channel, but again I'll remove all these channels and markings, everything, so that chart fresh clean agidaga we can get much more clarity what I'm trying to tell until. Okay, so this is what is in 4-hour time frame in Bank Nifty, and if I can see a trend line over here, illon trend line kanislattunanga, I can mark this trend line. This is trend line is from very long back, almost 2 weeks aaytu ankore the trend line inna illi tanaka touch agilla market nag. So once it reaches all time high alla, so avagi ee trend line respect ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ trend line again respect ಮಾಡಿ market can come down. So this is what is the use of this trend line as of now, but again it takes a lot of time. Illi nodre almost the points is around 500 points momentum ಬರ್ಬೇಕು Bank Nifty. Only then this trend line will solve projection ತಗೊಂಡು it can come down. Okay, so let's see what happens after 500 points momentum ಅಂತ. If I can see trend line downside ಅಲ್ಲ, I can see this is a trend line. So ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನನಗೆ. Again if in case market somewhere ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ trend line ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ again it should come till this trend line. ಮತ್ತೆ again ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ let's see. ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, these trend lines will be no more valid. Okay, so till that point these trend lines will be much more valuable. So heavy importance ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಈ trend lines because they are touching multiple times and they are very strong as of now. Okay, so this is what is in 4-hour time frame. If I can see resistance and support, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ mark ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ because it is of no use. Again if I mark it somewhere here ಅಲ್ಲ, so it has huge points to move. Ali tanka this trend line this resistance doesn't make any sense. So that is the reason I don't mark any resistance and support as of now. I'll go to 1-hour time frame and then mark the resistance and support. Okay, I hope my point is very much clear till this. So let's shift to 1-hour time frame. So again 4-hour time frame market is clearly forming high rise formation. 4-hour time frame you should be bullish, but again 1-hour time frame hodaga illa 15 minutes time frame hodaga things might differ. But as of now in 4-hour time frame you must be going only for upside trades. Okay, so this is the basic concept as of now, and let's go to 1-hour time frame. What 1-hour time frame is trying to tell and note daga, I think I can see this is channel one more over here. So I'll mark this channel, clear channel kanislattu namage illi. Okay, so this is a channel, market is moving in a channel and it is clearly forming higher high price action. Even in 1-hour time frame you must be going only for upside trades because market is clearly telling us that it is forming higher rise price action. Okay, so market ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ವಲ್ಲ, that will give us much more high probability trades. Okay, unnecessary ನಾವೇ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ will let market tell us, okay ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ, you can take this decision ಅಂತ. Okay, so but you must have that ability to read markets. So ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, but you must have that small self knowledge ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತೆ and what decision should we take ಅಂತ. So this is what is in 1-hour time frame. I can see this is a channel over here. So if I want me to mark resistance and support, I'll mark this. 1 second. I'll mark this as a resistance level. So this is a proper important resistance for me, and if you want me to mark support, this is a proper support as of now in 1 hour time frame. So again 15 minutes time frame hodaga illa 1 minute time frame hodaga this might change, but as of now this is a strong resistance and support level. Okay, so again above this level this is a strong resistance level, but again this is of no use, just want to show you how should we mark resistance and support ante. So this is in 1 hour time frame, and again ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ we have marked this level, but again I don't think so this is much valid right now. So ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇದೊಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು, but I don't think so this is much valid right now. I'll remove it. Okay, I'll go to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame no scenario is same. Again it is clearly forming higher rise price action, and it is also moving in a channel. This is a resistance level and this is support level. There is nothing to be changed in 15 minutes time frame. ಏನು changes ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. 1 hour time frame is much zoomed out chart and 15 minutes chart is much zoomed in chart. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು changes ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. Okay, logic is very simple, market is very simple in this scenario. Clear it is forming high rise, we must be going only for upside trades. Okay, so let's see. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 minute time frame ಬಂದು we'll do a quick scalping analysis, but let's as of now we'll keep this for a broader perspective analysis from larger time frame to shorter time frame. Okay, so I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ points in bank nifty are very much clear. Okay, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋ complications. I'm keeping things very much simple using trend lines, resistance and support. That's it. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. Now we'll come back to Nifty chart. So what Nifty chart is trying to tell ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So Nifty ನಿನ್ನೆ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿನ. I'll just remove drawings. We'll go to 4 hour time frame and then see what can happen. Why I'm not going to monthly and weekly time frame under? Because it is of no use anymore. We just need a broader view for today intraday analysis. So that is the reason I'm going directly from 4 hour to 1 hour and 1 hour to 15 minutes. If I want to make analysis for next 1 month ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು, next 1 week ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದಾಗ, then I can go to weekly time frame or daily time frame and then come to a conclusion. Okay, so as of now 4 hour time frame is much more sufficient. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll try to mark again a trend line over here in Nifty. So let's see where this trend line will connect. So illond connect ಮಾಡಬಹುದು na trend line. Okay, perfect. So this is a trend line over here. Okay, so ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು trend line ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನಂಗೆ. I'll just mark this trend line as well. Okay, slowly break down naga position agiತ್ತಿದು, but again it is not breaked out. I'll just mark it like this. Okay, 1 second to be very precise. Okay, this is a perfect trend line. This is what is in 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame again, so 4 hour time frame again support mark ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜರೂರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, because levels will be again far. So I can see this is strong resistance level, but again market ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ it should give us much more momentum around 100 points. So it's of no use. Let's go to shorter time frame and then mark resistance and support. That will make sense. But if in case nim clarity sigagoskara, I'll just mark this level and keep it. Okay, in 4 hour time frame this is a resistance level and this is support level. Going to 1 hour time frame, what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell is again ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು in case ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, this is trying to move in a channel. So I'll mark this level. Okay, so this is moving in a channel. I'll remove this trend line as of now. So this is moving in a channel. Proper on Nifty, Bank Nifty ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, same thing is following in Nifty as well. Okay, but Bank Nifty channel is much more high probable channel, but ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lower channel ಏನೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So that is the reason this is not that great compared to Bank Nifty, but it is a proper channel. So this is what is in 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame this is what is the scenario right now. Now ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, this is the channel over here. So ಈ channel already breakout kotti, and it is also trying to retest the channel. If you see here alla, it has also breaked out this channel. I'll remove this channel so that ನಿಮಗೆ confusion ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'll remove this thing. So ಇದೊಂದು channel breakout kotti, it retested and now it is trying to go higher high. So clearly ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಒಂದು upside move ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತದೋ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, but it should move upside because it has clearly break this channel. The trend line breakout agada and it also come for a retest over here. So retest bandunu, it is going up. So this clearly shows that market is bullish and there is strength in market. Okay, So this is what is in 1 hour time frame in Nifty 50. ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ 15 minutes time frame also you will get to know. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ I'll just keep this. Okay, so this was also a channel. So ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that is the reason I'm removing one channel and explaining you the other channel, so that ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಸ್, ಓ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತ ನೀವು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, so this is what is in 1 hour time frame, and let's go to 15 minutes time frame. What 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell anteli. So 15 minutes time frame, again this makes sense. This is also properly moving in a channel. So proper one channel move which is forming again higher price action. And if you want to mark me a resistance or support level over here, so this can be acting as a strong support level as of now, and this will be acting as a strong resistance level. Okay, so this is what is the current scenario in Nifty. Clearly it is forming higher rise. We must be going only for upside trades, and in Banknifty it is clearly forming higher rise, and we must be going only for upside trades. Now what we got is clarity regarding which direction should we go ante. Market ಎರಡು higher rise formation aglattu, so we must be going only for upside trades in 15 minutes time frame provided. In 15 minutes time frame agala nodri ಎರಡು 15 minutes time frame it is trying to form higher price action. So now what we will do is we will go to 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame ne hogi we will try to do same analysis for a scalping opportunity. Okay, same ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು 4 hour ಇಂದ 1 hour ಇಂದ 15 minutes ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, same ರೀತಿ we will do for 1 minute time frame, and then try to identify quick scalping trades. Okay, so I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ points are very much clear and crisp. So again this chart looks very much confusing. What I'll do, I'll just clear each and everything, remove drawings and remove drawings. Why did I remove drawings? To keep chart much more simple, because we got a direction saying that market is super bullish, upside ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ. So we got a clarity, upside trades ತಗೊಬೇಕಂತ in both Nifty and Banknifty. So now I'm trying to come to 1 minute time frame and identify where should I exactly take a trade, where is my entry point ante. Okay, so that is the reason I'm shifting to 1 minute time frame. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋ. Okay, so give me 1 minute, I'll just refuel myself. Okay, perfect. So now what I can see over here is ಇದು ಒಂದು ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ somewhere ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, July 9th ಇಲ್ಲದ somewhere. So what I will do is I'll just mark day low and day high, and this is my 50% level. This is just to identify which direction should I go, when should I change my direction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, so no matter what you must be sticking to a strategy, only then you can be a profitable trader. Okay, so ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ನೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ sticking to the same rule each and every day. Okay, so now what I did is I marked day high, day low and 50% level. Okay, so I'll tell you why did I mark this also. So going back to Nifty, this is day low and this is day high, and this is my 50% level. I'll mark this level as well, and I'll mark this day high, and I'll mark this day low. Okay, perfect. Ray bhai saab. Okay, so I'll try to extend this level. 1 second. Okay, so what I did right now is I just marked day high, day low and 50% level. So above 50% level I'll be bullish in market, below 50% level I'll be bearish in market. This is very much simple. Again in Banknifty I mark 50% level, this is day high, this is day low. So above 50% level I'll be bullish in market, below 50% level I'll be bearish in market. So you clearly note that this is trading above 50% level. Current price is somewhere here, it is trading above 50% level in Banknifty. And in Nifty 50% level is somewhere here, it is trading above 50% level. So what should be the direction? Obviously it should be the upside direction. So that is the reason I will be planning only for upside direction. provided in both Nifty and Banknifty. Okay, so now what we got is the direction upside ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ, because 15 minutes was also telling us that we must be going only for upside trade, and even 1 minute also is trying to tell us that we must be going for upside trade ಅಂತ. Now what is the next solution? We must try to find proper entry point. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ entry point ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ proper entry point ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು is next question right now. So we must try to find a solution for that. Okay, so what I'll do for this is I'll just try to shift the time frame. So 1 minute time frame nagadala, I'll just try to shift it to 15 minutes time frame in both Nifty and Banknifty, so that namagondu 15 minutes time frame what it is trying to do anteli we'll get a clarity. Okay, so this is what is in 15 minutes time frame in both Nifty and Banknifty. So Banknifty nodadandre as marked previously, I can see this as a channel. So idon channel mark ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, so that this will be useful in our 1 minute time frame analysis. Okay, so this is a channel over here in Banknifty. So sudden ಆಗಿ ನೀವು if in case ನೀವು beginner ಇದ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ channel properly correct ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I got to know that this is a channel over here. But if you are a beginner, this will be kind of difficult to identify channel. The only thing is you must practice. Chart tagiri el channels in ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, just try to mark those things. Over a period of 3 to 4 months will be perfect enough to mark the each and every trend lines. Okay, so just a matter of experience and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So this is what is channel I can see right now in Banknifty, and if you want to see in Nifty alla, again this is not a proper channel, but I can consider it as a channel. So this is the channel in Nifty as well. Okay, so ಇದು ಒಂದು fake breakout ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, and now also it is moving in a channel. Okay, so this is what is the current scenario in Nifty and Banknifty. It is clearly forming higher highs and is moving in a channel. So now what I will do is I'll go to 5 minutes time frame again. 15 minutes in the 5 minutes ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, and then I'll come to a proper conclusion what should I do next ಅಂತ. Okay, so again what I can see in Nifty, this is a resistance level over here. Anytime resistance soon market can come down. Okay, this is the right time to take a trade? No, because this is the right time to sell the trade, because it is trading near the resistance level. Even in Banknifty, it is trying to trade near the resistance level. Is it the right time to buy the trade? No, this is right time to sell the trade. Okay, so right now should I sell the trade? No, because market is clearly forming higher rise formation. So nange bari upside trade aste interested idini ankori. So that you can also trade for, you can also short here going for downside trade, but this should be a quick trend reversal scalping trade. But I don't want to take such a high risky trade in live session. Nan personal trade ತೊಗೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I would have punched trade very aggressively, but live ನಾಗ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. I'm trying to teach you where should we enter, where should not we enter, which is the safe area, which is not the safe area ಅಂತ. So this is the scenario right now. So you must be going only for upside trade, provided you must wait and watch. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈ ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 5 minutes ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆ ಚಾನಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಝೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ or levels of market. Okay, so as of now I can't see any trades right now, so I'll just go to 1 minute time frame and wait for a proper entry point. Okay, so proper ಒಂದು pullback ಬರಲಿ, pullback ಬಂದಾಗ I think I can enter into trade. Again ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಝೋನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ. I can mark this level as well. So anytime ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು it can go up, but let's see. Even in Banknifty I can see this is a support level. Let's see ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ support level ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ, so that we'll be simplifying things in a very simple way. Let's see. So ಈ supporting market should take support and then it should try to go up. Let's see what can happen. I go to 15 minutes time frame and try to find any upper channels are there over here or what ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ. ಈ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. and there is also a resistance level over here. So this is acting as strong kind of strong resistance over here. So anytime in the proper you can get a down move. Let's see. This is what is in 15 minutes time frame. Again 1 hour time frame again ಹೋಗೋದು necessity ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, because we are getting much more clarity in 15 minutes time frame itself. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back to 1 minute time frame again. I'll go back to 15 minutes time frame in Nifty, try to find out any proper trend lines. Let's see. Okay, illu one trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This is the reason it is trying to take resistance at this point. Okay, if you see, if I zoom in chart, this is a proper trend line over here. So this is the reason it is trying to resist very strongly. So heavy fall barlatru nodralli, because this is acting as a very strong resistance. We have upper channel over here, there is a resistance level over here, and there is a trend line over here. Okay, so yaವಾಗ ನೀವು time frame shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ they will get to know much clarity what exactly is happening behind the scenes in multi time frames. So it's very important to shift your time frames. So na 15 minutes time frame ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, this is the right point to go for upside trade. No, this is the right point to sell ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, and this should be a quick reversal scalping trade ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So let's see. I'm not interested in quick scalping trades because in live it is very much riskier to take, but I just want to take a safe trades. Okay, let's see what can happen. I'll just have a look at India VIX. What is India VIX saying? 11.95. Okay, VIX value is less. No, VIX value, if VIX value is less, there is no fear in market ankor. There is something called ticker tape. Il torsa nimage fear value index. Ticker tape. Where is this? 1 second guys, I'll show you. Where is the fear index? Fear index. Market mode. Okay. So market is kind of in a greedy zone right now. So greedy zone suggests investors are acting greedy in the market, but action to be taken depends on the MMA trajectory. Okay, so people are very much greedy right now is what ticker tape is telling us. Okay, so market is kind of very much bullish, that is the reason ellaru greedy aglatar anteli. This is a fear index, fear greed index anteli. If you go to ticker tape and search, you will get to know what is the current scenario. Market one sarti extreme greed ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ again it will come back to extreme fear, again extreme fear to extreme greed. This is the cycle. Okay, so people are kind of getting greedy right now because market is trading near all time high. Okay, so more the VIX, more is the fear, and more is the volatility. So let's see what in premium prices are saying. 1 second, I'll just have a look. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಐ ಎಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೈ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ 17,000 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. I'll just keep my premium prices ready. I'm tracking my premium prices over here. 1 second. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ 57,200. 25,500 in Nifty. Tomorrow is next Nifty's expiry, so let's see whether we'll get a proper move or not anteli. So these are my premium prices over here. So yellow observe maalatin sadhyak mobile nage. Let's see. So market is again trying to be bullish. If in case you have any doubts alla live nage, you can ask me. Nange ಎಷ್ಟು knowledge ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ completely I will share with you. Okay. In case ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I'll just try to research those things and let you know what exactly it is. So this is what is premium prices. Okay, so 5 minutes time frame shift agamu so that one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ clarity ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is happening in 5 minutes time frame ಅಂತ. So direction is very much clear. We must go only for upside trade, but we are waiting for these obstacles to be cleared. Upside hoglak it should cross this upper channel, it should cross this trend line, it should cross this resistance level. Ishtella cross ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆನೆ we can go for an upside trade. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ there is no clarity that we can go for an upside trade ಅಂತ. So that is the reason wait and watch is the best scenario right now. Okay, what Bitcoin and Ethereum are trying to do again, Ethereum is also trading at its resistance level or upper channel level. So illinda again rejection tone, anytime it can come down. Let's see. Okay, both are almost sideways, so ಯಾವುದು proper trade ಇಲ್ಲ. Let's see 4 o'clock 5 o'clock ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ proper trade ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I'll try to take live trades and update it in my Instagram channel. Okay, let's see. Oh shit. So there is no proper clarity in market, so that is the reason I'm waiting for a proper momentum. Let's see. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಚಾನಲ್ ಇಂದ again it gave a kind of fake breakout and again it is trying to continue its trend. So this is kind of difficult scenario. ನಮಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಈ ತರ ಬೇಕನ್ಕೋ, ಈ ತರ ಸೀನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ we can get into trade very easily, but right now this is not the right thing. Indian market has sometimes feels it as very difficult. ಏನು ನಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೋ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ and you can easily judge what can happen next time. But in this no, it is डर का माहौल है पूरा, पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है इसमें. Let's see, again Banknifty is trying to go up, but in resistance level respect ಮಾಡಿ it should come down. So this is what is the current scenario. Let's wait and watch. So once such the breakout ಕೊಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲ, then we can easily go for an upside trades. Let's see what open interest is trying to tell us. Nifty nag if you see ಅಲ್ಲ, OI change 25,500, 25,550. Okay, so call rates are much more in 25,550 and 25,600. 25,550. Okay, 25,550 plus 600. There are much more call writers. Okay, got it. So this is again a strong resistance level ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ call writers ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Call writers are trying to take market down. Call writers or call sellers both are same. Call writers, call sellers both are same. Both are trying to take market down. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇವರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. So there are much chances that it can go up. So in case if it goes up, then that will be a huge spike. Okay, this is not what I am telling, this is what data is telling. Okay, this is what is data telling. So going back to Banknifty, Banknifty, if you see 57,200 is the current index price. So call writers ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 4.32 lakhs sir, and here put option is ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 3.83 lakhs sir. So let's see, let's wait for a proper entry point. Again there is a equal participation among both these. So ಯಾವುದೇ proper momentum ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, market can stay sideways. So let's see. One second guys. So live start ಮಾಡಿ, it's been half an hour, so we did not get any trades right now. Let's see, it is trying to break out this trend line. So in case trend line breakout ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then we can get a huge up move. 57,200 it is trying to, it has already crossed, but it is not sustaining at this level. Let's see. $96, okay. When there is no clarity, it's better to wait and watch instead of taking unnecessary trades and getting into FOMO. Okay, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Live stream health, how is it going on? Okay, perfect, stream is healthy. Okay, so again proper resistance level respect ಮಾಡಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If I go to 5 minutes, it will make sense to you. So I mark this level based on this trend line. So ilon sarti ee trend line connect ಮಾಡಿ I connected 3 dots over here. So proper idon trend line respect ಮಾಡಲತ್ತಲು. So that is the reason I'm waiting for this trend line to be crossed to go for an upside trade. So once ಇದು ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then I can easily go for an upside trade, or else I should wait and watch. That is the only thing to do right now. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿಲ್ಲಿ. Let's see what can happen. You can also see this is a trend line over here. Multiple trend lines mark ಮಾಡಲತ್ತೀನಿ. Don't be confused. Try to focus on trend lines on what basis I marked it. Here it is trying to respect this trend line. I marked this. Here when market comes down, it should respect this level. So that is the reason I'm marking this also. So ನೀವು ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಲತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವೈ ಐ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವೈ ಐ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನದಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನನ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. I'm literally nothing ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. This is what consistency gives you. Being consistent in front of market ಅಲ್ಲ, it will teach you a lot of things. Consistent ಆಗಿ every day touch ನಾಗಿರಿ market ಜೊತೆ, so magics will happen like this. Let's wait and watch what is market trying to do. Premium prices are also still in a range. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್. ಓಕೆ, 130 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 115 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ನಾಗ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 10K ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಟಪ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮನಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. Let's see what can happen. Okay. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಐ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಎರಡೇ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಎರಡೇ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂತದೋ ಬಿಡ್ತದೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, and third time it should respect. This is what is the behavior of market, this is what is the nature of market. Okay, so that is the reason I mark this trend line. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. Let's see if I can get any trades or not anteli, but I don't think so we'll get any trades. We will have to wait and watch. So 15 minutes time frame nodidre price action is trying to reverse. High rise in the slowly it is trying to form lower lows. So let's see, hangena formation aitandre then below this level I'll be going for downside trade unless and until e level cross agathanka I'll not be going for downside trade. Let's see what can happen. Note again it tried to break down this trend line, so it's totally fine. Okay, so it is trying to go down. Let's see. Okay, premium prices, I'll just observe premium prices also. Okay, premium prices are also moving. Super. Let's see. Shabash. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಶಬಾಷ್. ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. It is trying to take everyone's liquidity. If I show it in 5 minutes also, this is a very huge red candle. 30-40 points candle, 70 points candle in 5 minutes. So ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ with this red candle form ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ back to back again ಒಂದು red candle form ಆಗಬೇಕು, then I can consider it as a proper breakdown or proper reversal. Red candle ಬಂದು again it is forming green candle, there is no clarity, again buyers are trying to take up unnecessary ನಮ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So this is not the right way to enter into market. प्योर ट्रैप चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ಒಂದೇ ಮಿನಿಟ್ನಾಗ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಹೆವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ನಾಗೆ ಹೆವಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಏನೇನೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 hour ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲಾಗವಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೂವ್ or a right move. Let's wait and watch. This is what we have to do. At least we'll have a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is totally sideways. But Ethereum and Bitcoin on weekly analysis ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ. Easily in upcoming days, I think it should, upcoming days in sense upcoming month, easily on 1300 points ಅಂತೂ easily move ಆಗಬೇಕು Ethereum within next I think around 2 to 3 months. July ಎಲ್ಲ August, September, October till October end ತನಕ I think it should be moving around 1400 points. You can take a swing trade according to me, keeping 200 points as a SL and around 1400 points as a target. I'm planning for this also, but I'm just waiting for 3 to 4 days more. Weekly candle close agala 4 days adan kori. Weekly candle close aitala, then I'll come to a conclusion and try to take a long trade. Okay, experiment ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. When you get into trade, only then you will get to know what exactly is happening in the scene ante. So let's see. Again, it is Bitcoin is at all near to all time high. So idu one resistance level act aglattu. Once a resistance level breakout aitala, then easily you can expect a big move. Okay, let's wait and watch. illantu ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ momentum illa. Let's have a look at Indian stocks. JP Power, what it is doing. Okay, JP Power ಅವಾಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ 24 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬುಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಡೌನ್. ಈ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತನಕ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೈ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ someone would have missed the trade entering at this point or somewhere here. So one again proper discount siglature, mat again they'll add on positions, again market will go. So this is what is nature of market. If I see HDFC Bank, okay, HDFC Bank is also moving super. ICICI, IDFC. Okay, shabash. Nice. Coming back to the Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is not even trying to move. ಒಂದೇ ರೇಂಜ್ ನೇ ಕುಂತದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕುಂದ್ರಸ್ತ ನಮಗಂತೂ. ಲೈವ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೋಯ್ತು ಆಜಾ ಮೇರೆ ಬಾಯ್, ಕುಚ್ ಬಾತ್ ಕರ್ ಲೇಂಗೆ. Okay, Nifty is trying to go up, but let's have a look at premium price. 819, 820, okay, not bad. Oh bhai saab, shabash. Premium price ne ekdam spike barlat noಡ್ರಿ. I'll just have a look in this as well, what it is trying to do. Okay. Let's wait. ಇದೊಂದು trend line mark ಮಾಡೀನಿ. I want this trend line to break out, then I can go for an upside trade. Let's see, because Bank Nifty is easily moving upside, then even Nifty should go upside. देख लेंगे क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. So I want Bank Nifty to cross this trend line. So if trend line cross ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, then that will give us much more high probability. Okay, come on, Nifty is also trying to break this trend line. Shabash. Let's see, let's wait for a momentum properly. 93 is the premium price running right now. So I'll wait for 5 minutes candle to be closed. Let's see. 115 will come to a conclusion. What can happen exactly in theory? Okay, premium price is also moving. Bank Nifty is also moving. Superb. Next level. 93. 5 minutes candle close like in 2 minutes. I'm just waiting for 5 more minutes so that I can enter into trade. Okay. So proper namgil 50 EMA rejection sikki, market is trying to go up and it is also forming a bullish candle. So there are multiple confirmations to get into trade. I'll tell you the logic as soon as I enter into trade. Okay. So just wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, it's trying to go up. Perfect. Let's see, let's wait. candle close agಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನ 5 seconds ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. We'll just wait for 5 more seconds and then oh bhai 15 minutes time frame ನಾಗಂತೂ this is forming a huge wick. So heavy wick formation ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This clearly shows that there are buyers strong over here. So 5 minutes candle, again it is a bullish candle, but I want to pull back, and then if it goes up then that will give us much more high probability trade. Let's see, let's wait for that thing. 93, 94, come on, superb. One red candle ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗಲೇ, then I can get into trade. Let's see. Okay, come on, come on, come on. So trend line breakout agade ankoridu. I want a red candle, and then if it goes up then I can get into trade. So I think above this level you can go for a trade. Above this level stop loss will be very small stop loss, 6 points will be the SL, and target will be around 1:3. Let's see, come on, come on, come on. I think we are close to the trade. 93, 94, super. E level cross agli will get into trade. One second guys. Okay, 94. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I'm trying to manage my positions as well over here. Let's see. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಹೆವಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, 94. Okay guys, we will be entering into trade. Okay, we are into trade guys, come on. 94 is the entry point. Let's see. ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will take our SL very quickly. That is the reason SL is very small. Let's see. I think this is our SL guys. ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಯಾಕೋ ದಿನ ಚಲೋ ನಡೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಯಾರೇನು ಮಾಟ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಸೋರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ SLs we are taking. SL ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, we are very close to the SL. ಇನ್ನ SL ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. SL ಹಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಮುಗಿತ್, ಖತಮ್, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸೆ ಬಾಹರ್. Come on, come on, come on. We are very close. Okay, I think the premium price is moving, guys. So premium price momentum bantala ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It can easily go up. One shot na heavy green candle formation. So logic behind this trade is simple. Back to back ಇಲ್ಲಿ short ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If market goes up ಅಲ್ಲ panic exit ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು and you will get a huge green candle, something like this. Within 2 minutes ಎರಡು green candle this will be done for without target. Let's see. We just have to wait with patience, only then we can make money in market. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ stop loss ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, but again in my premium price it has not hit the stop loss. It is very close to the stop loss. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ, but again in my premium price it has not hit the stop loss. Let's wait. Come on. Proper on 20 points momentum ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. $93, $94. Come on. Super. डर कम होल चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, समोन 95. सुपर. So I'll tell you one more simple trick. You trade ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ when you will be very much fearful, the only reason behind it is when you take the positions above your limit, above your ಏನಂತಾರೆ risk appetite. So ನಿಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ 1,000 ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, you will be taking losses of around 3 to 4k in one trades. That is where you will be fearful enough. Okay, so come on. Premium price heavy momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. Again spot price should also move. Let's see. So ನಿಮ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ appetite ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ರಿ. even though ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ you won't be panicking. That is what is the power of position sizing. Come on, super. One go ne target ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದು. Within 2 candles it should give us target. Come on, super. Let's see what can happen. So ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. It is almost ಕೆಳಗದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲತ್ತದ, but again it did not hit our stop loss. Let's see. Because my positions are still open over here. Let's see what can happen. Within one go I do want target. Come on. This is next selling level. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ in case ಇದು level cross ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, easily we can reach our target. Okay. Okay, come on, super. But premium price ne ಜಾಸ್ತಿ momentum ಬರಲಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, now it is moving super. Next level. Come on guys, super. This is the next hurdle. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, easily it will give us target. After very long time we are trying to reach our target. Super. Banknifty is also moving. Banknifty is also bullish. Super. Let's see. I don't think so it will go. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. At this point there are sellers, so ಈ sellers activate ಆದ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ again it will fall down. Market is very volatile. I don't know why is it testing our patience so much. Mail okay, again it is trying to reverse. Come on, bro, at least one target. So break even point is ತಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ stop loss ತಗೊಂಬಂದು again it will hit our break even point, and if it goes up then that is not acceptable. So that is the reason ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿನ positions, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನು modification ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿನಿ. Let's wait and watch. Either it will give us target or SL. Will accept both. Logic is again simple. At this point there are much more sellers available. If sellers say out agak, market should go up till this level. Mail hogi again it can come down, but I want to go up till this level. Ee level tanka hoytandre we can be easily profitable. Let's see. Okay, we are still in a green zone. I think this will give us a target. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, so again, still it is in a green zone, but premium prices just the momentum kodangila idan kuri. Let's see what can happen at this point. Price is still moving in a range. Let's see. If it is moving in a range, and then there are buyers trying to add on their money and try to take market up. So let's see. Let's be positive. Already trade ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಈಗ. ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. But taking consideration into market scenario, it should give us profit. I don't know why it is taking so long time. In case the trade fail ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, I don't think so I'll be taking any trades for today, because this was a proper and high probability trade. Only then I initiated this trade. In case if this gives us losses, then this is the only trade for today. This is a strong selling zone over here. E level on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ cross ಆಗಬೇಕು. E level cross ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then a target will be easily achieved. Let's see. 130 already ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. at least 130 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we must expect a move. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, we can at least plan for next move. In between Market is kind of boring, bro. Okay, I think this will take our SL. Okay, come on, it is trying to go up, but again it is very slow. Come on, come on, come on. Market is literally time passing, guys. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ momentum ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. So this is not the right move in market. It's very boring. I'll wait for another 5 minutes. 1:45 exactly I'll close my live stream. In case stop loss ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, I'm done for the day. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೇ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ it was kind of interesting. Right now this is very boring. Same premium price is moving in between 90 to 94. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿದ್ರೊಳ. ಓಹೋ, ಅಬ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆ ರೇ ಯಾರ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ ಕಮಾನ್ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್. No guys, ಒಂದೇ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ and it is not even giving us either target or SL. 1 minute ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ. 5 minutes or 50 minutes ನ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ I can accept it, but even in 1 minute time frame it is not trying to move anywhere. As soon as it hits our SL or target, I will close the live stream. ಎರಡು ಆಗಲಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. That is kind of difficult scenario. Okay guys, I think it should give us SL. At least SL ಅನ್ನ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. That is what I'm waiting for. Going for downside level, this is an important support for us. E zone enadalla, this is kind of very important support. That is the reason market is not trying to come below this level or not trying to go above this level. This is an important resistance and this is an important support. In between now trade ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ, in between ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲಾಗಿದೆ. So this is what is a tough situation right now. Okay, come on, back to green zone. Support. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ, ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡಲಾಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ as soon as I do some other work, go out of screen alla, it will try to move in a very huge way. So adu kind of difficult part ankori. So adu ಒಂದು I don't want to miss the trade. That is the reason I'm waiting with patience. So let's see. Premium price is again still moving around 92 to 94 in between. At least on SL ತಗೊಂಡ್ರನ್ನ we would have closed our day for today. Come on bro, do something. At least ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದು take our SL or ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ give us a target. ಎರಡರನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡು. This is my humble request. $92, okay. क्या कर रहे यार तुम? ಇಂಥ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಂತ್ನಾಗಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು half an hour. Neither it is giving us a profit nor a target. So 5 minutes candle close like in a 2 minutes of inquiry. Let's see how 5 minutes candle will be closing. I don't know why, but I feel like this will give us a target. We hope so. The trade mela, I don't know what exactly will happen. This is the real patience testing, guys. So half an hour length it is trying to test your patience. So again, this is a very strong support level. So is strong support level once sati cross itala, it will easily take our SL, but it is not even trying to come down, nor it is trying to go up. We are stuck in between. Ee zone stuck agbitti anko. Okay, it is trying to move only in this zone. SL hodru no problem illa, it is just part of game, but I want to happen any of the things very easily. Venkatesh Rao, good afternoon sir. Good afternoon. Okay, so this took our SL. Okay, so idu at least itara SL ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, we can at least plan our next trades. What can we do next ante? So we proved that we were wrong in this trade, and I totally accept it. This is part of game, so there's nothing to worry. Okay, so at least we took a SL and we can plan what can happen next. So let's come back to the topic once again. So again, I'm clearly interested in only going for upside trade. I'm not at all interested in going for downside trade. So ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿನೂ ಇನ್ನ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಇವನ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ 50% ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ until it crosses this 50% level below. Okay, my point is very much clear. Let's see. Good afternoon, sir. Where are you from? ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ರಾವ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈವ್ ಚಾಟ್ನೇ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. So let's see, exact 2 o'clock I will wind up the live stream. I should get ready to office also. So 2 o'clock tanka in a 9 minutes adanukuri 2 o'clock let's see what kind of move we will get in 9 minutes. Okay, so let's have a look. 15 minutes time frame now, we'll see what it is trying to tell. Oh, I'm too from Gulbarga. Oh, super. Namdu Gulbarga ne sir mani, ಬಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿವಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ರೈಟ್ ನವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೋ ಟು 1 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 4 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು 1 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ 1 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ at this point. I can mark this as a resistance, and right now I can see this as support level. I'll mark this as a support level. Okay, so in Banknifty I can see this as the resistance level. I'll mark this as a resistance level. This is a strong resistance level. Okay, and this is a strong support level. This is in 1 hour time frame. So we'll go back to 15 minutes time frame and the same thing. I'm at Mumbai. Oh, nice. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿ ಪಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಲೈವ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈವ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, so this is what is in 1 hour time frame. I'm just trying to show you how Nifty and Banknifty analysis can be done in a simple way. I'm using my own way of analysis. Okay, so illi just have a look. In case any doubts idhar, you can ask me. I can try to explain it. Okay, so this is in 1 hour time frame what Nifty and Banknifty is trying to tell us. So let's see, I'll go back to 15 minutes time frame. 1 hour time frame, this is scenario, and I can also see a channel over here. So idon channel mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I can see a channel over here. So this is a channel which is in a 15 minutes time frame, sorry 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it is moving in a channel which is clearly forming high price action. And if I see, oh yes, I'm 64. Nice sir, at least 64 age you are interested in stock market, and then that is the best motivation ever. So in Nifty I can see one more channel over here. So idondu channel mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. So this is a channel over here. Super. So market is clearly forming higher price action. So higher price action form aglatli, and even in Banknifty it is clearly forming higher price action, and that is the reason I am interested in going for upside trades. Okay, so let's see, this is a very simple analysis as of now. So this is in 1 hour time frame. I'll go to 15 minutes time frame and then have a look. That will give us much more clarity. 15 minutes time frame ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. what 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell, let's see. So 15 minutes time frame again it is clearly forming higher price action. Okay, so ಇದೊಂದು zone ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು it is trying to move in a zone. So this is clearly a sideways zone. Market is trading, trying to test day high, it is trying to test day low, it is in a sideways zone. So that is the reason there is no proper momentum in market. So that is the reason we try to enter at this trade somewhere here, thinking that idondu higher price action form aglatli illi. I'll show you exactly. Illondu higher price action form aglattiತ್ತು. So that is the reason we took risk at this level. So ilello risk ತಗೊಂಡು we kept this as stop loss, keeping this as a target. But ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ momentum ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ market ನಾಗ, and we took a SL. So this is the reason market is totally sideways on 9th of July. So as of now new second half in the sense in a 1.5 hour ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ market close ಆಗೋ ತನಕ I don't think we can expect a very huge momentum over here, because ನಾಳೆ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿ ಅದ. at any time option sellers, like ನಾಳೆ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ option sellers will be taking advantage of theta decay. So our positions option sellers ಏನಾರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಂತು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ positions. So they'll be shorting their positions and easily taking advantage of theta decay. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಪುಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, and they want to move market in a range. If it moves in a range, only then they will make money. But for option buyers, we must get a huge momentum. Only then we will be in profitable. We will be making money. Okay. So let's see. So Venkatesh sir, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದೇನ ನೀವು ಒಂಚೂರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಅಥವಾ it is kind of very difficult to understand? I just want a feedback to improve myself. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, so that I can improve myself. So as of now ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. In 1 minute time frame I was expecting an up move in Nifty, but even that did not move because 1 minute time frame clearly it is sideways. Proper sideways ಅದ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರು. ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಫೋಮೋನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so clearly market is moving in a range. There is no proper momentum in market. Okay, so with this I think I'll wind up the live stream within 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see. Market ne momentum ittan kori daವಾಗ explain ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಮಜಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಮಜಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ momentum ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, it is kind of very boring market and very difficult market. So this I can see it as a strong support level over here, or I can call it as 50% level also. So this support level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ at least we can plan for downside trade, but it is not even trying to come below this support level. Okay, premium price ಈಗ momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Nifty premium price, if you look at the chart ಅಲ್ಲ, I'm observing premium price in mobile. So illi it is trying to move nicely, but again I'm not interested right now. I just have to wait for some more time. Let's see. This is a trend line over here. $94. Okay, if this breaks out, I think we can expect a move over here, but let's see. Again, expiry days, expiry near to expiry trade ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. You will try to enter somewhere here, but market ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಮೂವ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ as an option buyer you will be ending up making profit. But enter ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡ್ವೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ and market will not give you huge returns. Although ನೀವು ಇದೇ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 90 ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 90 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಟು 85. ನೀವು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ನೀವು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಆಫ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5 rupees. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, so option buying is not that easy. It is a very difficult job on earth. Option buying and making profit is a very difficult task. It's as good as clearing IAS, because you proper on spike ಹಿಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ you will be making profits. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ for sure there are losses, for sure. You must know where to enter and where not to enter. Okay, premium prices are moving. I think we can get into trade with this. Let's see, but again I should get ready to office. Live stream close madada. So I'll give you one suggestion. Let's see, in a 1 hour the market close aglaka, so I'll be tracking the market after the live session. So above somewhere this level you can go for an upside trade. I'll show you the level, 1 second. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಡೌನ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಡೌನ್, it is trying to test this trend line and it should come down. But if in case ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, you can initiate your position somewhere here and keep SL somewhere here, like around 5 to 6 points SL above ಈ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗಲೇ we must enter into trade. Okay, so ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. You can keep around 5 to 6 points as an SL and target will be around 12 points to 15 points, 1:2. So let's see, provided market should go above this level. ಹೀಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ SL ತಗೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. It should say us that I have breaked out this trend line, I am trying to move up ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ then we can enter into this level somewhere here. Okay, so let's see what can we do ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. This is what is the view of second side. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ liquidity grab ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ it came down ಅನ್ಕೋ. This is all of fake breakout, these are all kind of manipulations. ಎಲ್ಲ buyers ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ they are trying to take it down. Okay, in case ಇದ್ರ follow through ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, then I would have considered this as an actual breakdown. Okay, back to back red candle form ಆಗಿ again it has formed green candle. So this is pure trap. So go for upside trades or no trades, never go for a downside trade. Okay, so this is what is my current perspective in both Nifty and Banknifty. Okay, so with all this I think I'll wind up the live stream. So ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿಂದ ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ it's time to wind up the live stream and I'll meet you in next video. Until then, see you all, take care and thank you so much for joining the live stream. Bye bye.